Wild market today with Jackson Hole, and let's go over the results. The market trades on the day. Money management algorithms indicator. Try to be brief today. It's Friday, plus or minus 3,100. Off our equity peaks from yesterday. Made it back to break even. Started positive, went down, made it back to break even, gave some back. Pretty happy with this kind of price action to be down 3,100. It was pretty wild, and we'll go over that in a minute. Ended up on the week, up on the month, quarter, and year. Let's go over the trades market on the day. You can see the path with our money management algorithm indicator. Love this indicator. Allows us to determine the net position. You can see a lot of back and forth. You see, long, short, long, short, short, long. And then we were up on the day right here, right when Fed Powell stopped speaking. Fed Chairman Jay Powell stopped speaking. The market was here, and it occurred to me, oftentimes as soon there's an exhaustion move as he finishes in one direction or the other. It was an idea to exit and to research what happens. I have to go back and see the exact time of day when Jay Powell stops talking and look at the market data to see if that reversal actually exists. If you get a strong trend and he's talking and then he stops talking, does it go the other way? If it's going down, he stops talking right there and then it goes up. It seems to do that. Have to test it though. And so that was a thought. Intraday up early on about 4K very quickly. And so the market was going our way with some chopper strategies working. And I thought the market would go higher today. After yesterday's sell-off, I think the market should go lower. There should be a continuation. We don't really see these types of moves, much less a continuation of these types of moves lately because of the mindset of the market and the liquidity that's so bullish. So I thought that it would reverse. The market internals were strong. I thought it was going to pull back here, come up here, pull back a little bit, and then try to rally at least to this point, 14,250, if not break through that. But it did a 300-point detour and then came back to the 15,000 level. So did something I didn't expect it to do, and it's very wild and choppy. Like I said, 300 points from that point down to here pretty quickly, and then a choppy turnaround. And so finally got going here around 2 o'clock, but not a lot of energy. We made it back to break even, and once again I thought we might be going for the highs of the day. Couldn't even take out the highs of the day. Thought it would go for the highs of the day here, here, here. Then it rolled over into the close, and so tricky, tough day. And yesterday we were at equity peaks. We're off those by about minus 3.1K from those equity peaks. And was the last two Jackson holes were profitable, so I was looking forward to potentially a good trading day. But it was choppy. So a choppy Friday in August. Looking forward to the last week of August and the potential there. Here is the 60-minute chart, and we've had a lot of turnarounds, not a lot of really strong one-way trades. Yesterday was that nice one-way trade. Today, just massive chop. You can see it on the 60-minute chart. The 24-hour session just pulsing back and forth. And so the bulls just really trying to come in here and buy this dip, protect this market, keep it from taking out these lows. When it got to here, I thought it might take out these lows, but didn't. So let's look at the market internals and trades on the day. 1 for 3 in the S&P, adaptive moving average chopped up early, captured the trade at the end of the day, minus 537.50. Tick wave got long, stopped out on that big detour, minus 825. Actually, the S&P was 1 for 4, not 1 for 3. Plus 14 on chop, opening chop, really good trade. Short, long, short, and then got long here. Last trade was a loser, but really did well. I thought today the strategies they struggled. They would struggle while Jay Powell spoke, but they actually were profitable while Jay Powell spoke, and then they went through a losing streak. So it was the opposite. I thought it would chop and then potentially recover, but it did well, lost, and then started to recover, but not all the way. And then tick count trend dynamic turnaround down on the day, minus 162.50, plus 1400. Minus 825 plus 530 or minus 537.50 on adaptive moving average. Nasdaq minus 80, minus 35 on EVP1. Tick count trend was plus 575. Tick pullback was minus 2150. Tick reversal, nice trade on the day, 2360. Tick long aggressive was plus 1275. Bounce reversal minus 925. Mag 7 minus 2525. And then momentum reversal had short trade going, reversed around break even, stopped out on this long trade. Just shows you it doesn't trade that. This market doesn't trade usually twice in one day. So the nature of this market was really tough. And we've gotten better at choppy markets and reversals. With our strategies, I'm glad that we were able to manage this chop as well as we did today. Minus 1530 on momentum reversal. And so let's look at the micros. Micros, minus 5125 on adaptive moving average, minus 8250 on tick wave. Opening chop, plus 140. Tick count trend dynamic turnaround, minus 1625. Micro Nasdaq, Viper, minus 750. EVP1 was right around break even here. Let's see, what is that? Wish it would show up on the axis. Minus 3, plus 5750 here on tick count trend. Minus 218 on tick pullback. Tick reversal, plus 236. Plus 143 on tick long aggressive. I'm showing that the results are a little better than the E-minis. The E-minis were plus 1275, so slightly better. I'll have to check why. There were 2 trades instead of 1. And bounce reversal, minus 92, minus 252.50, and minus 153.50 on momentum reversal with 2 trades. So I'm showing maybe 1 trade, maybe a scratch better on the micros, 1/10 versus for the signals. Looking forward to next week's trade. It's the last week of August. The summer is coming to an end, and it's been a slow, low VIX, narrow ranging summer. Looking forward to picking up in September potentially, the last week of August. So there's only 4 trading days left in August. And then we start September on Friday, which is Jobs Friday. And then we have the Labor Day weekend on the following Monday. So next week, four trading days in August, 1 trading day in September for Jobs Friday. And then the following week, Monday, is Labor Day. So looking forward to next week's trade, which is the last trading week of the month, and the last trading week of August, which is historically choppy. And so these are the trades on the day for Friday, August the 25th, 2023, after equity peaks yesterday. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.